What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Markets with Trust Issues. Today's personality is confident but tactical. Think Formula One driver wearing a parachute. Let's see where the money's leaning and why it matters into today's close. So, pull the room, seatbelt or rocket. Type helmet if hedged and rocket if risk is on for you. Why this isn't a coin flip. Insurance is real. SPY stacked big near time puts. Here's an example. September 2025, 635 Ps, 17.8 million. And then we also saw September 2025, 640 Ps, 7.8 million. But FOMO is too.